Billy Wiz back online, and we're going to show you how to make CHONK LP tokens and how to use them to fish in the CHONK LP fishing pool. I think that's what it is. But basically, more or less, you have to get onto Uniswap and you need 6 CHONK per 1 token. That's an important amount to know. So 6 CHONK will equate to 1 liquidity token. So if you put 6 in here, I've got my MetaMask wallet all linked up to my Uniswap account. Uniswap's the best place to get CHONK in my opinion. And you can see I've got 400. I'm part of the 400 club, mate. I'm well invested in CHONK, and I want to buy 6 to put in the liquidity pool, so I can make 1 token with those 6. It's going to cost 0.28 ETH plus the gas to get the 6 CHONK. Then it's going to cost another 0.28192, or if ETH goes up or down, the equivalent to 6 CHONK to make a CHONK token and put it in the liquidity pool. So when you're thinking about doing this, make sure that you've got the ETH to do the liquidity match, and you've got enough CHONK to at least, you want 1 to get into the fishing pool, and then you can add to it gradually and do 1 at a time if you really need to. Obviously the gas fees will make the percentage cost of doing it that way higher than any other way. So that's what I'm trying to do 6 this time. I'm pretty skint, but I managed to squeeze an ETH out of somewhere and get 6. So, like I said, when you're doing this, 6 CHONK is for 1 token, and you'll need to put that ETH in again. So times that by 2 plus 2 gas fees to create 1 CHONK token, and then another gas fee to actually place it. So let's swap it. So 0.28 will confirm that to 6 CHONKs. And it says confirm. Like I said, the gas fee is 0.02. It's gone up. It's ridiculously high. Probably not the best time to do it, but I want to get this video done and get it online to explain to people how to do this. So transaction submitted, we're just waiting for it to come back as confirmed, and in which case it should be in our wallet there and then, and we should be able to use it to go into the liquidity pool, match it with ETH, and create 1 token, what is it called, CHONK/LP Uniswap v2 token, if you're getting technical. Right, that took absolutely ages, but we have ended up with the 6 CHONK in our account. It's just been confirmed. The Uniswap must be absolutely busy. The gas fees are high and the transactions are super slow, but nonetheless, we shall crack on. I've deleted that bit in the video so you won't have to wait 3 minutes or something. Then once you have got your 6 CHONK or more, you can go as many as you want. You can only put 5 in the liquidity, 5 liquidity tokens, which is 60 or 30 should I say, sorry, not 60. But here you want to go to add liquidity. And this is it. We've gone over here, so we swapped it to get the ETH into CHONK, and then we've moved over to pool and we brought the CHONK and the ETH with us. So now when we're adding liquidity, we're putting the 2 items together to make another token. This token will then be in your MetaMask wallet, and then we'll use it in a second. But like I was saying, you really need to have enough ETH to double your CHONK plus the gas fees. So CHONK, and I want to input 6. Oh, I might as well do 6.617 while I've got the ETH in the account and I've got the things. Get me a couple more fishies per week. It all counts, it all adds up. So now you can see we're basically adding liquidity, and we put both of these together. So it's 0.31 ETH to my 6.67. If you wanted to do 6, you'd literally put in 6. It's 2.8151 ETH, what we paid for the CHONK. But like I said, I'm going to quickly get rid of 6.1. I'm just going to do 6.1 just in case I do myself out and go just under 400. I don't want to risk it, guys. I like the 400 club. It's where I belong, man. It's where I belong. But there you go. You can see 0.31 and 6.6. So then you click supply, and this will probably take an absolute yonk as well. And you'll see this will equal that, confirm supply. And then you'll see it comes up with a transaction here. Total amount with gas is 600. Bloody hell, man. $62 in gas. So confirm. Transaction submitted. View on Etherscan. Close. Right now we should just wait that when we go to our MetaMask wallet, we should effectively get, should have it done. Is it confirmed? Let's have a quick look. Oh, no, I don't think it's confirmed yet, is it? Oh, it is. Yeah, it's done. So we've done that link basically. So now they're linked. So once we have done that, we should be able to go onto Chonka Finance, unlock the wallet. unlock your wallet, baby. That's the one. That's the one. Connect the doggy with the caddy, and then you should be able to go over to or down to fish, start fishing, and then you should be able to click fish. Unlock wallet again. Oh no, it's already unlocked the wallet, I think. I'll just do it again just in case. Connect. What do you wish to fish? The UNIV2-LP. That's where we wish to fish with these tokens. It gives you the better fish. You can see I've got one in there at the moment. I've got 2.53 fish earned from just having one in there. Had it in there for a couple of days. And then we want to manage our stake to add more. So you can unstake or stake depending on what you wanted. I'm going to stake max, which is 1.13376 blah blah blah. And then I shall confirm. It cost me another $28 in gas fees. Yeah, so let's just confirm. It won't cost anything more than the gas fees. So stake max, yes please. And then that will be that in there. So if you click off that, my LP staked in a second. It takes a little while for it to go up. I've got 9 chonk there. What's in my LP? So it hasn't come in yet, but that should go up in a couple of minutes up to 2.1 and then my fish being earned will be doubled, and you can trade them in. There are none here at the moment in terms of the chonk cards, but these will be added and they're pretty damn rare, so that's why there's none here, because people are owning the fish now, and then when they come available they'll buy them. So you really want to get them fish sort of saved up. Plus they're worth, I think, twice the fish or 10 times the fish in the normal pool. So when the gachapons come out, which won't be too long, you'll be ready with quite a few fish and maybe even be able to buy one straight away. I'm not sure. I think it might be 100 fish for one gachapon, or I'm not 100% sure. I'm just talking out with ass here. But here we got already collected. I'm going to collect Chonky Chan, and hopefully by the time, or Carlos Chan, by the time we redeem, nice, add it, confirm, and that is confirmed. So that'll be in my collectibles now. Happy days. And if I go back to LP fishing, will it be, yeah, you see, it's there, 2.1593 LP staked. My fishing that are being earned, that will go up by the hour. You'll be able to see how many fish you earn, and you'll be able to redeem the chonkers and gachapongs as they come out. So be wary, watch the site, and make sure you're there ready to get them, because they're the NFTs that will be worth good honeys, ladies and gentlemen. Well, thank you for watching, boys and girls. Please subscribe for more. If there's any questions that you want answered, then feel free just to comment below and I shall get on with it. There's also a competition going on to win 1,000 Dodge. I'll leave the link in the item description. Pretty easy. Just put your wallet address and I'll send it to one lucky winner. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Billy was Gamer, over and ETH.